If we take the principles of the universal design for learning approach, it can help us to adapt a writing task. And we do this because we want to make it more accessible for students and give them more ways to demonstrate what they know, and then make them feel that they're having success and build their motivation and wanting to continue to work on their writing skills. So some things we can do to adapt a written lesson are to give children different ways to plan the activity. So we might encourage them to use graphics or other visuals, maybe a diagram, so that they can plan their ideas and what they're going to talk about. We can give them ways to then plan and structure the steps involved in completing the task. So how will they write the introduction, the main body, and the conclusion of the written assignment? Maybe we can give them some key questions to help prompt them so that they will include all the key pieces of information in that activity. How can they revise it and edit it and check for mistakes when they're finished? So we give them a structure for being able to be more independent in putting the whole thing together. We can also then give them other methods to input their or write down their ideas. So we can encourage them to maybe use text-to-speech software. We can use written tools. We can use visuals instead of relying so heavily on writing on its own. And then we can try and incorporate choice into the activity as much as we can. Can we give them choices around the topics that they're going to write about, or about the characters that they're going to include in the story? Can we give them a choice around who they present the information to? Will they give it to their teacher alone? Will they present it to a group that they have been put into, or the whole class? So we have to think as much as we can about ways to give ownership and include the student in some of those steps. And in doing so, hopefully we can increase their motivation and enjoyment of the activity.